This week we're going to be creating a game idea, high-level concept, and it's really a pretty exciting part because it's everybody has a great idea about creating some type of a game. But there's the two exercises that accommodate this lesson here. Well, the first one, which is kind of like a practice exercise, gives you is where you basically create 5 different game statements. Now that's actually a pretty critical part of this game idea high-level concept document that you will be creating in the second assignment. It's just so I want you to have some good exercise or good practice, in other words, of creating this game, these statements. The statements basically, if that's all an investor say would ever read, they would understand what your game is all about and if it's going to be fun or not. So you follow the instructions very carefully on the slides when you're creating that assignment. It's just 5 statements for 5 existing games. The other part of the assignment is one where you're actually going to be creating your own game idea or high-level concept, and the critical piece of that is one of the critical pieces is putting in that game statement right at the very beginning. So when an investor reads your concept, they can make a decision as to whether they want to read the rest of about your game or just go on to the next idea. So there's a multi-use for this this document. It's not just for investors, but it's for other people on the development team in your game, people that are working on it, and it actually goes into a bigger part of documentation piece that we actually create when we're developing any type of computer application or a game. So have fun with this assignment. If you have questions with it, or if you want to see some other or get some feedback, feel free to do that. I think what I might do is I may put a post on here. I think I will, as a matter of fact, that I'm thinking about it, is I'm going to go ahead and put in a discussion board on game concepts so that you guys can get some feedback with each other on your game ideas and your concepts. So we'll look forward to seeing what you guys come up with this week. Have fun and keep on rocking.